Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the different volume types on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. And they are cool. You got volumes for notifications, ringtones, and system volume and your media volume. Okay, so on the side here are the volume keys. You can press on the volume up or volume down key. Once you press on the volume button, a side volume controller will appear. Now you can quickly mute the volume by tapping at the bottom here to mute or unmute. You can also tap on the option button up here, or you can drag this bar up or down to increase or decrease the volume. If you want to tap on the option button, in here you have 4 different volume control. Now this is the system volume. So if you try to change the system volume, this is what you would do. You just drag it down or up. You can also tap at the bottom to immediately mute the volume for that for the system volume. Now system volume are things like camera shutter sound. So if I tap on the camera shutter sound, it will make that sound. And if I try to lower it down, you can see now if I take a photo, it will not make any sound. Very similar to a calculator. So if I open up a calculator right here, you can see that when I tap on the calculator, it doesn't make any sound. And if I turn on the system sound, now it will make some tapping noise. Okay, so that is what the system sounds are for. The next sound that you have is notification sounds. Notification sounds that you receive, say from text messages or your clock alarm or anything that's trying to send you a notifications. It will raise the sound. Again, you can control how loud is your notification sound, or you can just mute or unmute your notification sounds. Muting one sound does not affect sounds from the other type, such as media sound or your system sound or your call sound. Now on this bar here are the ringtone sound. Ringtone sound are your phone incoming call. So when you receive a call, it will ring up either loud or medium, or you can simply silence the call by tapping on this button right here. Now you can see that if I tap on this silence on the call, all of this are automatically disabled. So by if you silence the incoming call, then the system and the notification calls automatically get disabled. Let's just turn it back on. And lastly, we got the media sound. So again, media sound like if you are playing music, YouTube music, if you are playing YouTube videos or any type of videos that is on your system, any apps that is considered as media, it will allow you to control media sound. And right there. Now you can also tap on this settings button at the top. This will allow you to go into the volume section, and in here you can also set use volume keys for media. So by turning this on or off, you can control whether the side button will be used for media volume or your phone call volume. So you can see here, if I try to press on this button, it will try to control the media volumes at the moment. And if I change it, if I turn off volume keys for media, you can see that if I try to press on the volume up or volume down key, it will now try to control this instead, ringtone instead of media volume. And that is how you can change it. And that's it. So those are the 4 different type of volumes that you can adjust on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.